Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? Happy Friday. Kind of working with the glare here. Got a great sign that we just picked up here. This is an OAKLAND Pontiac Sales and Service porcelain double-sided sign. Beautiful, 24 inches high by 35.5 inches wide. Great shape. It's got all the chips where they need to be. I'll flip it over a second, let you see the other side. But if you are into Oaktown Pontiac or just great porcelain signs, this might be for you. This is the B side of the sign. Again, the other side seems a little bit staining here, but chips are at the minimal, pretty much staying right where the bolts were. Really nice shape.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.